G'day guys, Ninja here. I've got Jordy on the table here. Gives a thumbs up. So he's got a pretty standard kind of thing we see here all the time, so this might resonate with you. So if you've got kind of a restriction through here and kind of pain radiating up into your head. So yeah, if you've got pain radiating up into your neck, maybe you need this treatment here. So just going to have a real little bit of wax on my hand. And I'm going to go down the spine for a start, connect in, and see if there's anything going on through here. It's a good way to connect, do something that gets the person on side right from the get-go, and yeah, just can discover if anything is out of place through the spine. So we can kind of give it a bit of a wiggle as well, mobilise it, maybe little pops and things like that. So, and that always feels good. But the main thing is we're trying to warm up this fascia, that rubbery case that goes around groups of muscles, but then it's around each individual muscle, then around the fibers as well. So it's like a rubber sheet, and that becomes dehydrated. So it becomes like it's dry, and we're trying to hydrate it so that it's more malleable, flexible again, so it can squish and it can stretch, so we can get movement to happen. So just filling in there, Jordy. Feel that one a little bit?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's all pretty good.
Yeah. So just working on my connection. Yeah, there you go. There's a little pop.
Yep.
Just nice and thorough, slow, no surprises for Jordy, so you can just sort of just relax, surrender, and receive. You know, and that's the thing. If you want change to happen, you need to be able to receive. So we can go as deep as we need to clear things out. Another little pop.
Yeah, it just cracks again.
So yeah, that's what you want. Ultimately, you want to feel better. You want things to change, and if they're stuck, you need somebody to help you clear that blockage, and then let the flow happen, let the healing happen, let the movement happen again. So that's what it's all about. So I'm just going to go down to about a little bit further so I can feel that lower trap. Like that. So that's kind of my warm-up stroke. But you can kind of see just from that, like how red it is. See that, Leo? Over the top. So lots of good fresh blood in that area. Now I'm going to go inside that shoulder blade. So I'm going to connect in there, like that. Weight on that spot. It's actually, most people have got this spot in here that's very tender and stuck. And yeah, just can ping up into your body, base of your skull, into your head. So yeah, if you can kind of do a really good job of clearing the blocks in here, holding it till it melts, then you got a good chance of helping somebody heal. So just gonna follow around that scapula. Moving a little bit like a snail. But yeah, we're just making sure we collect every bit of tightness in here and work it out. How's that feel, Jordy?
Yeah, really good.
Yeah. Not overwhelming or anything?
Nah, it still feels just like a warm-up sort of depth.
Yeah. So yeah, just slowly going through. Feel that there's other things popping up as we go. So that's the main thing we've got to do is, if there's bits that are stuck in here, we've got to find it, and then we've got to deal with it. So you deal with it as it appears. You don't wait till next week, come back to it, you just do it now, because you've discovered it. So the more blockages you can clear, the more chance person of healing up and having pain-free movement. Well, feel that's trying to flip out a little bit there. Stick at it. Oh, yeah, you can see a nice red line through there. So what I'm going to do here, let's get into this upper trap, levator scap. These muscles that kind of originate down here and then they end up in the neck. They're actually the same muscle, so if origin or insertion is stuck, we're going to find it. So yeah, just slowly working into these spots, holding on to it, waiting for it to melt. In there. How's that feel there, man?
Yeah, yeah, really good. I was getting a little bit of referral even into the front of the neck, sort of scalene area.
Oh, really? Yep. Just going down a little bit as well. So if you're watching out there, you're probably wishing this has been done on you right now. And it could be if you book in. Or you search for somebody in your area that has been certified by us as well. So we teach people how to do all our tips and secrets, how to get this to happen. So yeah, try and find somebody that's been certified. You can have a look on our website. We've got a list of people that have been through our courses. Or if you're in Melbourne, you're local, you can come and see us at one of the clinics, Pentry Gully or Richmond. It's going to change hands and we're going to go in that upper trap. So this kind of work up in here, connect up and in. This upper trap, you know, we hold the weight of the world on our shoulders type of thing. With, you know, every human, you know, in our society anyway, is pretty stressed. Stressed to their eyeballs, they say. I wonder why they say that. So anyway, this can help out your eyeballs. Eyeball stress. By working on this, because a lot of times you're working on these different areas and I can feel that in my bloody eye, my eyebrow, things like that. So you can
actually can feel
that. There you go. Jordy's stressed to his eyeballs. Lucky I'm here to save the day.
Yeah.
Super Ninja, I'm gonna fucking have a you know, the Superman suit. I'm gonna put a ninja suit. What do you reckon? Just fly around. Save the world through bodywork. I'm going to work up into your neck, man. So, getting some angles so I can get where that sun don't shine. So a lot of times you underneath your skull is where the problem's originating from. So you can kind of get an angle so you can get right up and under. Gets even deeper into where those muscles kind of attaching onto the skull. So just shimmying along, making sure I'm being thorough, giving each little tendon in there time to calm down, melt. You can actually feel it when it starts to melt. How's it feeling through your base of the skull, man?
Yeah, it's all wrapping sort of round the top to the front of my forehead,
Yeah.
like all the referrals. Yeah,
Yeah.
feels real good.
You're going to be a new man after this. You'll be able to take on life with a new sense of vigour. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bloody oath.
Yeah. We don't guarantee it, but it's bloody highly likely, isn't it? Yeah. So, we want people to respond well. And, so yeah, just having a chat at the same time. I think it's a good thing to have a conversation, build a rapport, build a relationship with your people you're working with, so you can kind of go deeper. So now I'm gonna just work down your neck a little bit, do a few scoops.
Yep.
Do it like that, like a contrasting stroke, like that. Stretch it out. I reckon one more through here, man.
Yeah, that's a good spot.
Yeah, just do a nice, good, slow, thorough work through that line. You'll be $1 million. Working deep and slow. Good to get a bit of treatment, Jordy.
Yeah, it's nice.
Kind of, I suppose it's good for you young blokes to go back to the source.
Mm.
You're dishing it out, so it's kind of good to know what it's like to receive it, but yeah, also kind of
Receive it from the master.
from the original, yeah. So yeah, you can kind of get a sense of pace and pressure and angles, all that kind of different things. So yeah, people out there, practitioners themselves, can access Aaron and myself and do courses. We do, the online course has an in-person component, just a weekend, and then we're going to run week-long, like 5 or 6 day courses coming in 2025 as well. So you can get even more time with us, coaching you, working on you, and might be able to work on us a little bit too, but mostly on your peers. So we can coach you with your posture, your angles, your pressure, your pace, all that kind of stuff, your location on the body, where if looks like it's in the, we can feel, so make sure it's in the right place. So yeah, it's good to receive and to deliver this kind of treatment. It just really helps to make it marry up. So yeah, it's what it's all about. There you go, man. I reckon you're fixed.
Done.
Done.
Oh,
Yeah.
thanks, man.
He's wiped out a bit.
Yeah.
It's all good. That's a badge of honour. The after treatment wiped out, being in a different dimension.
The towel marks.
Yeah, towel marks are a badge of honour. So yeah, that first 10 minutes after treatment, you're not here on the planet just yet. So you just don't try and think or drive or anything to make any important decisions. Just take it easy for a bit, let it integrate, and then know that the work's been done, the healing will happen. So we'll just facilitate it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Look into our links below. There might be something there for you, like a calendar or a course, something like that, or book in if you're local. Yeah, but most of all, get it done.
Done.